Is Forex trading halal or haram? A lot of Muslims have been asking this question for quite some time now. And in this video, we're going to answer this question once and for all. So make sure you watch this video till the end so you do not miss out on any important points. Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. Before we begin, I just want to make it clear that I am not a scholar, but I did research on this topic, and I'm just sharing what I found. So if anything I say contradicts what a scholar has said, then please, by the grace of Allah, correct me in the comments section below. Also, this video is not financial advice. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into the point. Is Forex trading halal or haram? The answer is, it depends. What do I mean by that? Let's take a look at these 2 points right here. Point number 1. When you buy a currency with the intention of making a profit, and after buying that currency, its price increases, and then you sell that currency for a profit, this is 100% halal, because you bought it with the intention of selling it, meaning you are speculating on the rise and fall of the currency. And this is exactly how stock prices work as well. And many scholars, including Sheikh Muhammad Salih al-Husari, have ruled that this is halal. Point number 2. When you buy a currency with the intention of keeping it for a long period of time, like maybe a year or two, and then you actually use that currency to buy something, for example, and in that process, you make a loss on the currency, then this is haram, because you are using the money for an extended period of time, for a purpose, other than its original intent, which is to be used as a medium of exchange. In other words, you are using it to buy something else, which is not the purpose of a currency. The currency should only be used to buy things temporarily until you can sell it for another good or service. But in this case, you are holding on to it for too long, and then eventually you are using it for something else. So this is where the problem comes in. And many scholars, including Sheikh Shaltut and Sheikh bin Baz, have ruled that this is haram. So, my brothers and sisters, based on these 2 points, we can conclude that Forex trading can be both halal or haram, depending on your intention and how you execute your trades. If you buy a currency with the intention of selling it, and after buying it, you sell it for a profit within a short period of time, then this is halal. But if you buy a currency with the intention of holding it for a long period of time, like maybe a year or two, and then you use that currency to buy something else, and in the process, you make a loss on the currency, then this is haram. Because in this case, you are not using the money as a medium of exchange, but rather you are holding onto it for a long period of time for a purpose, other than its original intent. So, my brothers and sisters, that's it for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And also, if you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment section below. Jazakumullah khair.